Alright, so my friends told me about this thing called Scratch coding, and I think I'm gonna try it. But the thing is that I've never done Scratch or coding before. But this looks kind of easy, so let's try to make my first game. Alright, so this is my first coding project ever. It's pretty simple and humble, but I think it's actually pretty cool. You know what? Scratch seems to be a very easy programming language. Let me try a harder one. Alright, so I've just started using Scratch like a week ago, and I only have like a few followers. And I've also made like a few projects, but they don't really have many views. And the likes and favorites, well, there's just not that many of them. So I might have to make some more popular projects. Wait, let me go to Scratch stats. I want to see where I rank on there. Oh, wow. Look, I just finished this amazing project. I did this all by myself, and I had got no help from anybody else. Like the art, the coding, the music, everything. Everything was made by me. Oh, this remix box, I think it's like a bug or something. This should really be here. Oh yeah, and the in-game credits, I think that's just like a few typos when I was writing it out. Whoops. I got banned. Alright, Scratch is way too easy, so I think I'm gonna be finding a challenge to do. What's like a really hard challenge? Oh wait, I got it. I'll try to make Flappy Bird in Scratch, but without any of the motion blocks. Alright, and that's the last block that I've done. This is too easy. I guess I'll have to find an even harder challenge on Scratch. So yeah, when I'm on Scratch, I'm mostly like on the forums, but like not even that much. I don't even post that much on the forums. I like mostly help people out and stuff, but I don't know it like that much. You know what? Let's check out my stats, see how many posts I've made. Probably maybe like 50 or maybe even 60 or 70. Oh wait, what?